Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make Parsi special. The name of the recipe is Salli par Idu. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 4 eggs, 2 onions finely chopped, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 100 grams potato straws, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 bowl of coriander leaves finely chopped, salt to taste, oil and water. To start with, we'll put oil in a pan. Now we'll put onions, green chilies and saute until golden brown. Now add tomatoes and cook it until they are soft. Now we'll put turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander seeds powder, cumin seeds powder, garam masala, salt and cook it for 2 minutes. Now put salli and cook it for another 3 minutes. Now sprinkle some water over it. Make sure not to put too much water, otherwise salli will get soggy. Now we'll put eggs over it and sprinkle red chili powder and salt over it. Now we'll cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now put coriander leaves and salli over it. Parsi special Salli par Idu is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.